Hey lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created these Saviland Diamond Polygel press-on set. So you can get this kit off of Amazon Prime. It comes within a few days because it was Prime, of course. You might hear my kids in the background, by the way. So it comes in this lovely little black box, and there's like a magnet to hold the box closed, which I think is great. And then it comes with a little booklet that tells you all the different products that they have. I have a few of their little polygels, the 15-gram ones from AliExpress. And I also have the spider gel, of course. I like Saviland polygel and well, a lot of their products really. The ones I've used I've never had any complaints with. So it also comes with like this little red ripped stuff, little tissue paper, which I thought was a nice little touch to like for like the what's it called, like when you look at something, the packaging. And it also comes with a little card, and then it comes with 30-gram, it comes with 3 bottles of 30-gram diamond polygel. They all come sealed. So this is the first one, and it is Sparkling Girl, and it is DP01. I show you a little bit whilst it comes out of the bottle, but they all look very similar when they're like at the tip of the bottle. But you see them all, I use them all in this set, of course. So yeah, I thought these were really lush, and I've been dying to try the glitter ones. I know that you can make your own glitter polygel and stuff, but there's nothing better than like having this, that there's like iridescent in different colours. So this one is the, oh gosh, I didn't see which one it was. Hang on a sec. So this is Starlight Feel, and it's DP03. Again, I show you on the top, but you can't really see it. And then last but not least, this is the Glaring Beauty, and it's DP05. So they're diamond polygels. I only got 3 of them here, but there are 6 in total. And then in total of glitter polygels from them, they actually have 12. So yeah. So anyway, I decided to put this in today. I'm going to show you how I make sure that my nails last when making press-ons. So I buff the nail, and then I push back the cuticle and scrape away any of the dirt and dead skin. I push your cuticle back first. I don't know why I've done it the wrong way around. But when I say buff the shine out of your natural nail, I literally mean just gently buff the shine out of your natural nail. You do not have to be rough for this, guys. All you're doing is just taking away a shine. That's pretty much it. And now I'm just going in and putting a layer of dehydrator from Model 1s, and then right after I go in with the Model 1s primer and put a thin, an even layer across my nails with that as well. Try not to get this on your skin because product sticks to primer, so you will have everything stuck to your skin. So now I'm going to go in with my nail glue, and I just place a bit of nail glue into the well, and then I press down and I hold for 10 to 15 seconds, and then I also pinch the sides for a further 5 seconds, not 15, sorry, 5 to 10 seconds, and this is what they look like after they are on. Now I'm just going in and filing away that shine off of the nail tip, so that product will adhere better. I also do go in with the Saviland base coat. You can do one or the other, I think, it doesn't really matter, but I do both just to like ensure extra adhesion, I guess. So I place this on my nail in an even coat, and then I cure in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. As I've said before, base coat, the Saviland base coat and top coat is pretty nice. I've got no problems with it. But I think most base coats are really similar, unless they're like a runny consistency, I always say, but I've had no problems with any base coats and a lot of top coats that I've used, so yeah. What did I do next? I cannot remember. I think that was it. So with these, like I said, they're press-ons. Usually I do just put down Peely base coat and pop them off. And these are full cover tips, obviously, because they're press-ons. This is slip solution, by the way. You need this for polygel, just saying. It's anything 70% and above with rubbing alcohol will do as well. And I've also got my lint-free wipes there, ready to wipe off my brush whenever I need to. So now I'm just going in with the first layer. This polygel is really nice and really easy to use. My alcohol spilt over the lint pads, as you can see. um, but yeah, it's really easy to use. It's really nice to work with. I didn't have a problem with it. It wasn't sticky. I actually don't use that much rubbing alcohol. You'll see me dip a few times, and I think once or twice. It's literally out of habit. But yeah, I really, really enjoyed working with this Polygel, guys, and I'd highly recommend it. The only thing I did have a problem with, they're 30 gram bottles, but like when you squeeze really hard to get it all out, like it feels like a lot of it's missing. Like there's air in the bottle, and I don't like that. You know, like if you only want to give us like 20 grams, just put 20 grams in the bottle. Do you know what I mean? But other than I've had that with a lot of different polygels. I don't know if there is actually okay, there is 30 grams, so they can't lie, but like it feels like a lot of it is missing. But they're sealed, so this wasn't used beforehand. But yeah, going back to the press-on thing, that was my only issue, and I'm not even that mad about it because you wouldn't really make full glitter sets all the time. Like this would be great for accents, so this will last. Like there's still a lot left in the bottles. So going back to the press-on, sorry I've said that twice now. But what I do, I like to keep my nails. So when they pop off, I like to put them in my little box of nails because that's weird and I'm hoarding false nails everywhere now apparently. You can also do this with a nail form. You can do this with a jewel form. You can, and I've got videos on all these and I will be sure to link them in the cards. You can also use half tips. It's really your preference. I do all of these. It's just I like to keep my press-ons, and like because I'm learning, because I'm not a professional of course, but I'm learning, and I just like to keep my things so that I can look back and be like, wow, look how much how far I've come and how much I've like progressed. So now we're going in with the middle finger. I cured for 30 seconds in between each nail like I always do, and then the last nail I cured for a full 60 seconds with them all in the lamp so they are all solid and all on there and cured. This stuff was really nice to work with. Honestly guys, yeah, it was great. Because there's only 3 colours, there's like the one that we're using now is like a pink. It's got like a tint of pink. The index finger is like a yellowy sort of colour, and then the ring finger is blue. So I put that blue on my thumb as well, and then I'd done like an ombre of all 3 colours on my pinky, but it's so, the tinting is so light that you can only really see it in person. But you can see the tint there in between the 2 colours. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to let you watch the rest of the application because I've talked for long enough, and I'll be back in time for filing and top coating, I guess. So enjoy guys, and I'll see you in a second. I'm back. Hi guys. So you just see me wipe away the sticky tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol, and now I'm going in with my hand file and just sharpening up the edges and making sure it's shaped better again, and also going over the top to make sure everything is smooth and buffed nice and everything else, I guess. So I was worried that like when I buffed on the top that the glitter was going to be ruined, but it won't. But there is like texture to the glitter until you put the top coat on, and once you put the top coat on, the nails are completely smooth. It's great. So that was what I was worried about, was there being texture on the nails, because like I don't mind texture on my nails, like it doesn't bother me. I've had sugar nails and stuff like that. You might hear my kids, by the way, they're playing in the living room. Yeah, the worry of like the glitter being bumpy, it turned out to not be an issue at all. So once I have filed, guys, I apply the top coat and then I cure for 60 seconds again, and then I obviously add some cuticle oil, because always do that after you've done your nails, because you need to rehydrate your nails and the cuticle area. And then of course you have the reveal shots. So I'm going to love and leave you by here, and I'm going to put some music on so you can watch the rest of the video. I hope you did enjoy, guys. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You don't have to, but I'd appreciate it if you did, you know. And I always like talking to you guys and hearing your thoughts and what kits you've used, and you know, everything, like anything little. I love like talking back and forth. I'm a chatter, so that's what I do. But I hope you're all staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all soon, guys. Bye. I begin to